Here's a kelvinator, not running right now. Let's see. Nope, it's not been running. It's nice and cool right here, so I imagine it's not been. Because my comment's not been either. I think it hasn't, I don't know. Let's see. I believe 80th week of 2024. 2014. If I was looking at the wrong day, I really don't even care. Yeah. Let's see what tons this is. 1.5 ton. And here's a heat pump wall unit. Compressor. Condensate drain. It's my first time seeing this thing off. It's usually on all the time. See the inside. Lights are on. Yeah, it's not even on. Don't know if I'm gonna do a startup or not. It's really not that hot out, so yeah, I'm not sure yet. Alright, thanks for watching.